Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install WordPress using Softaculous through your cPanel on telaHosting. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have your WordPress installed. First, open your browser and head over to telahosting.com/login. Log into your telaHosting account, and from your client's area dashboard, locate your web hosting services, find cPanel, click login, and then log in to control panel. This is where you can manage your hosting accounts. Once you're inside cPanel, you can either use the search button to search for Softaculous App Installer or scroll down to the software section and click Softaculous App Installer. Softaculous is a tool that allows you to install applications with just a few clicks. Click on WordPress and then click on install. Now let's fill in the installation details. Choose your preferred protocol, usually HTTPS if your SSL is active. Watch our video on how to install SSL using cPanel on telaHosting. If you want WordPress installed at the root of your domain, then delete WP and make sure to leave this field empty. Next, enter your site name and a short description. You can always change this data from your WordPress dashboard. This part is very important. Create an admin username and also set a strong password. You can have the site generate one for you, but I recommend you do so yourself. Create a strong password you won't forget easily because you'll be needing this to log in. After that, enter a valid email address. This will be used to send important notifications to you. You can select add-ons you would like to add to your sites or leave them as they are. Once everything looks good, click install and give it a few seconds, and that's it. WordPress has been successfully installed. You'll now see two links, one to your website and another to your WordPress admin dashboard. Click the admin link to log in and start customizing your site. And just like that, your WordPress is ready. From here, you can install themes, add plugins, and start creating content. If you need help with hosting, domains, or setting up your website, telaHosting is your go-to plug. Any questions or confusions, drop them in the comments below and we'll attend to them right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video.